Hi. Okay, I just finished watching this video. I think it's called Fed Up Fat Girl or something. And she lost a lot of weight. And now her skin, she has lots and lots of extra skin. It's weighing her down. It's probably about 30 pounds or more of extra skin. Because right now she is 179 or 75 or something like that pounds, and she was almost 400 pounds. She lost 312 pounds, and I'm just thinking that that reminds me of my story where I have a regret where I wish I I mean, like, if somebody would have told me that after gaining all this weight, if you want to lose weight, you're gonna have extra skin. I lost, well, you guys probably think I'm not fat. I don't know. Because some people will tell me I am, and some people will tell me I'm not, and I don't really know what to believe. But I'm like I'm like, I I was like, I lost some weight. I was At the end of the day, I was at my highest weight. I was 210, and yeah, so I was 210 at my highest weight. Now I'm 195 at the end of the day. So I lost 15 pounds, and I'm still working towards losing more weight. My goal weight would be around maybe 130, I guess. I don't really know what's healthy, maybe 135. So yeah, this is me. See, I have a little bit of extra skin maybe because of the fat, I lost a little bit of weight. And then right here, I have a little bit of loose skin or extra fat or whatever it is. It's a little, see? I don't know. I'm not, I think I'm getting rid of my double chin, so it's not so bad. But if I go like this, you can, like, if I push my jaw in, it shows you like that. But it used to be like that when I was 200, and so 15 pounds, I guess, is a lot. I didn't realize, because before I did have more of a double chin. So that's a good thing. I never thought of that until I talked to you about that. See? And then, see right here? This is my belly. And I gotta lose weight. So you can tell, eh? And then these are my thighs. Oops. These are my thighs. They're pretty. But who knows? Maybe people think I'm normal size. I don't know. For a Canadian, I don't know. I think it would. I think I'd like to be more in shape though. Like, I I am pretty good shape, but I mean, like, I'd like to have a healthier body. Cause I think it'd be a great thing for me to do. Not only do I think I'd look better, but I'd be healthier. Like, sometimes I worry about getting diabetes because there are times when I'm like really addicted to sugar, and I'm trying to cut down on sugar now. So, and I'm trying to only eat like 3 meals a day. Uh, so, like, I'm trying to cut down on my snacking. I really wish I knew how to say this all a little faster. It's just maybe if I maybe wrote it down, that would help me organize my thoughts so I could get everything out there that I had in my head that I wanted to say. Oh well, appreciate you guys. I really hope you get something out of this video. Hey, you know what? Right, like yesterday was the first day I dieted in a while. Like what I decided to do was I ate a good breakfast, like an egg and a toast, and then for lunch I had a sandwich and an apple, and then I waited a while and kind of had a snack around 5, and then I finished up and had supper really late, but it's because I don't know. But anyway, ciao, peace out, have fun, enjoy your day, do something productive, clean the house. Okay, have a good day, bye.